Hi guys and welcome back to a True Talk with Tea. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video, as you can literally see, is I don't know what. I don't know. I'm just so tired, so demotivated today. This entire week, I don't know, thoda sa aise gaya. And I want to lie. I really want to lie and say that, oh my god, मैं इतना busy थी that I didn't have time to shoot anything this week. But that's a lie. Like I said, Monday, Tuesday tak I agree. I was a little caught up because obviously the May exams are going on and I have my clients who I need to take care of that. So I get that. But yesterday I had quite a chill day. Today also मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा procrastinate किया है and I'm feeling so bad about it because आज का वीडियो मेरा प्लान था. I have like such good content planned for all of you all. I know you want to know about the 2027 syllabus changes and कहाँ से वो books मिलेंगी, कब मिलेंगी. Then also my study vlog level 3 का when am I giving my level 3 वो है. Feb 2027 detailed roadmap. I'm actually sharing more insights, not just the regular details that I usually do. I'm actually giving you like a plan of action that you can follow. So ये कुछ over the top of my head, and the content is ready. I just literally need to pick up my camera and go ta-da-da-da-da-da. And that is something I do काफ़ी जल्दी. So it's not कि oh my god बहुत pressure. बट पता नहीं क्यों मुझे इस हफ्ते लग रहा है कि ओ माई गॉड बहुत प्रेशर, जबकि नहीं है. Literally 1 minute 28 seconds I've just ranted rubbish, but you know what, please stay with me till the end. And if you haven't yet, so please subscribe to the channel. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please help me. And if you already subscribed to the channel, then thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. So yes, like I was saying, आज मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डीमोटिवेशन हुआ है, बहुत ज़्यादा गिल्ट हुआ है, बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है. यू कैन लिटरली सी आई एम लिटरली शटिंग माई आइज अगेन एंड अगेन इन दिस वीडियो एंड आई डोंट नो वाई. आई डोंट नो, बस नहीं हो रहा था मेरे से. पूरा दिन मैंने कम से कम 5 बार 7 बार कॉल्स के बीच में लगता नहीं, जस्ट टेक द डैम वीडियो. बना हुआ था कॉन्टेंट. लाइक आई सेड, इट वुड हैव टेकन मी 20 minutes at the tops to shoot that video. But who did not do it? I did not do it. Because नहीं हो रहा था. I was like, क्यों नहीं हो रहा? I think sometimes it just happens हम सबकी life में, even things that we are very passionate about. Because I truly love making videos, and sometimes I feel so bad. Like आज मुझे लगा था यार, Tani, so many people don't get a chance to do this. You're getting to live your dream, your passion in a way, of course not fully, but in a way you're letting, you're getting to do what you want. And तो भी तुझे थकावट हो रही है. But it made me think, yeah, yes, sometimes even things that we love can make us tired on certain days. And I guess this week rather was just one of those weeks. Too many things going on in my mind also. But I don't know, I'm just blabbering. But let me know if you can relate. And if you can't, if you can sympathize, that would be great. I'm not asking for it, I'm just joking about that. But yeah, you get it now. It's just, I don't know. Honestly, I was gonna skip today's video. I was so sure that today will be the first week when I will not post it and I'll just put an apology. But I'm also a Scorpio. तो मेरी ईगो पे भी आ रहा था, नहीं 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 नहीं, मुझे थर्सडे को लॉन्ग वीडियो डालना है, कुछ तो जाएगा. देन आई वाज लाइक ओके, आई टेक, जो छोटे छोटे क्लिप्स होते हैं ना बने हुए हमेशा. बट फिर मेरा मन नहीं माना, तो मैंने कहा व्हाट, लेट मी जस्ट कम एंड टेल यू कि मेरे दिल में क्या है. ट्रू टॉक कर लेते हैं. एंड वही मैंने कहा करती हूँ. सो यस, पहली बात तो वो सारे वीडियोज़ जो मैंने बोला है आर कमिंग सून. होपफुली आई गेट द ताकत टू शूट. ऑल्सो very unwanted update, but my intern completed her tenure with me. She was with me for nearly 10-11 months, and then of course uske final years चालू हुए थे, so she had to leave. So also editing videos is really getting to me. ये जो थोड़ा average editing चल रही है ना, it's because मैं कर रही हूँ. Please appreciate the effort, but it's just, I don't know, I'm very bad at it. So in case any of you all are willing to be an intern with me and just edit this one long video a week for me, please comment content intern, because I am going nuts without it. And now मुझे ढूंढने का भी टाइम नहीं मिल रहा. वाह, this is a बहाना. Okay, but anyway, so yeah, very random एक point और बताऊंगी. So yesterday I saw a comment on my channel. चलो थोड़ी गप्पे मारते हैं. I haven't replied yet. Very very sweet comment. It was about this person who's re-giving his CFA level 3, he or she giving his CFA level 3 exam. I'm saying he or she because I don't remember the name. And I think they're giving it again in August, okay? And very kindly, that person asked a question and everything, with obviously I'll reply to, and they were like, uh, it's a slight demotivation because he or she has failed and they're giving it again, right? So they're like, my biggest demotivation is ki you yourself, like as in me, haven't cleared your CFA level 3 after giving so much efforts and whatever the story is, if you guys know. And because of that I feel like very demotivated. And वो comment पढ़ के ना मेरा दिमाग हिल गया. I was like, oh my god, that was never my intent when I posted those videos, or when I shared my story, or while I'm sharing my story. That has never been the intent. Honestly, the intent was never to motivate you guys also from that video. It was more about just me sharing my story. As a content creator, as a CFA consultant, I found it important to do so. And somewhere I felt like it helped me. It helped me release some of my thoughts, because I'm quite an introvert in real life. So it was that way. And also it helped me to be accountable. But that was very personal, very selfish maybe. But it was never to demotivate you guys. And it just made me think, it made me think so much. पता नहीं क्यों मैंने इतना सोचा उस एक कमेंट के पीछे कि we hold so much of somebody else's journey accountable to ours. I don't, I'm not wording it correct, but like हम किसी और का जर्नी देखते हैं एंड वी होल्ड इट कि अच्छा ये सक्सेसफुल या फेल होगा तो मेरी जर्नी सक्सेसफुल या फेलियर के लाइन में जा सकती है. गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. In fact, let me tell you another backstory. When I was giving my CFA level 1, or when I found out about CFA, if you all know the story that मेरे क्लास में कुछ लोग कर रहे थे, देखा देखी में मैंने किया था, तो उसमें से एक इंसान था who was giving it 1 year before me. I gave it the next year क्योंकि मेरे पासपोर्ट में कुछ चेंजेस होने थे. तो he was giving it, and that time we were very close friends. Okay, now we've lost contact, college खत्म हो गया, etc. whatever it is. And that guy was not a college topper or anything, but he was very good in finance. Like, my god, he was so passionate about the finance industry कि मतलब मैंने देखा नहीं था कि कोई इतना पैशनेट हो सकता है अबाउट फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री. एंड तब अभी भी आई वॉज वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट media, Bollywood, and things like that. And I used to do it a lot. I still do it a lot. A lot of things that I'm very passionate about. कभी ड्रामा, कभी डांस, कभी कोई ब्लॉगिंग एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. आई स्टिल डू इट. तो मुझे लगता था कि उस टाइम पे कॉलेज में आई यूज टू एक्सेल इन दोज फील्ड्स बिकॉज मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा पैशन था उसमें. आई वॉज वेरी गुड इन अकेडमिक्स ऑल्सो, इन माई फाइन इन बैफ ऑल्सो. बट उतने लेवल का पैशन नहीं था जितना मतलब मैं मीडिया से करती थी. लाइक आई टू वेक अप फॉर इट, दैट काइंड ऑफ अंधाधुन पैशन. एंड दिस गाय हैड दैट फॉर फाइनेंस. तो मुझे लगता था ये अगर CFA कर रहा है तो ये तो 100% पास होगा, राइट. एंड मैंने ऐसे ही बड़ा मजाक में बात बोल दी कि बिकॉज ही वॉज गिविंग द एग्जाम बिफोर मी, ईयर बिफोर मी, कि इफ दिस गाय fails the exam, I will never give CFA. And of course that guy passed the exam. There are no two ways about it. He passed all the exams, etc. So हो गया उसका. But now in retrospect, so many years later, when did I finish my college? 2018. हाँ, कितने साल हो गए भाई. तो सोचो इतने साल के बाद it just made me think कि really अगर वो इंसान, let's name him X. No, then you guys will come up with different stories. No, let's name him A. If A, God forbid, had failed the exam, तो क्या मैं CFA नहीं देती? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. ओके, वो तो हर अटेम्प्ट फर्स्ट उसमें पास हो गया, मैं नहीं हुई लेवल 3. सो everybody's journey is different. Yes, you can take inspiration, you can learn from their mistakes, but do not base your decisions. I know that guy, this comment वाला person, I don't think he's basing his decision on me, but I'm just saying it. मेरे दिमाग में आ गई तो मैं इंटरलेस करके बता रही हूँ चीज़ें कि नहीं भाई, किसी और के सक्सेस या फेलियर से आपकी लाइफ की जर्नी नहीं डिटर्मिन होती. एट दैट एज, दैट पॉइंट, मे बी आई वुड हैव डन इट ऑल्सो. बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि किस्मत में था मेरा CFA करना, तो मैं वैसे भी करती, चाहे ऐसे चाहे वैसे. मेरी किस्मत में था लेवल 3 फेल होना ही था. आई एम लाइक ऑफ लेट एक्सट्रीमली इनटू डेस्टिनी. लाइक आई बिलीव अ लॉट इन इट कि जो होना है वो तो होगा ही. And what you have to get, it will fight all 7 oceans and come to you. It might take time, but it will come to you. Okay, and of course, like I always say, sometimes कुछ वो नहीं कहते, कुछ डेस्टिनी के पेजेस में लिखे होते हैं as you wish, but bracket work for it. So I don't know, this was very flow, non cons. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? I don't know what I said, but you guys get the point, right? My point is, do not put any form of pressure on yourselves because you feel like, अच्छा ये XYZ person fail हो गया या ये XYZ person pass हो गया तो मैं पक्का pass या fail होंगी. I'm just talking from the CFA exam context. You can use it for any context in your life. And one more thing, कभी कभी हम ये भी देखते हैं, यार ये बंदा पास हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब मैं फेल हो जाऊंगी. Just because somebody else is succeeding doesn't also mean you're failing. This was very out of context, but you'll get it someday. I'll say it. But yeah, main context is just because a person is failing, or just because a person is passing, just because that person is smart, just because that person is passionate about it, doesn't define your journey, right? God forbid person A, कॉलेज वाला मेरा, अगर वो फेल हो गया होता, बट मेरी किस्मत में CFA लेवल 1 2 पास होना लिखा होता, CFA कंसल्टेंट बनना लिखा होता, तो मूव हेवन एंड अर्थ मैं बन ही जाती. You get it? That is the point that I'm trying to say. I hope you guys have made sense. Like I said, I don't know, today's feeling like such a ajeeb din. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know if you guys will appreciate this video, but please do, because I don't know, I'm feeling, मैंने जितनी बार I don't know बोला है ना इस वीडियो में, somebody can literally play like a drinking game, take a shot whenever Tanishka says I don't know. I get it, but it is because I truly don't know what is happening to me today. Why am I so, I'm so not myself today. I'm not liking it, you know. So this is somewhere I'm just, yeah, it is what it is, I guess. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video. I do not want to more than this. But please, you guys, like I said, a lot of good content is coming up. 2027 changes of CFA. I'm also gonna post a detailed study vlog very soon. I'm also gonna tell you when am I giving my CFA level 3, if I'm giving my CFA level 3. And one more very important video is coming. Detailed study plan. Also, before I leave, people who are starting their CFA journey, like नया चालू करने वाले हैं, people who have just completed their 12th standard, are in their college first year, or people even older who are just starting out their journey, I have something very, very important to announce to you guys, which I'm gonna do very, very soon. So keep your eyes open, because you really, really want to know about that. And if you like this video, please like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.